Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Ignacio, your host. So you can see here in our garden grow facility, we've just installed one of our newest printing machines. It's a direct-to-film printer. I'm going to show you what it does and how it can help your business. And also, if you're a reseller, how you can increase your profits by selling products like these custom full-color towels, t-shirts, like the one I'm wearing now, or even hats with this technology. Before we start, I'm going to zoom into our shirt. We're really excited. We're about to launch our rewards card program. For all of our members, we teamed up with Visa here. I'll show you the card here you're going to get here in the mail. Once you sign up for this program, I'm going to blur out my my card because it actually works. What we're doing, once this launches, you're going to be receiving 2% cash back on all your purchases here inside of Promogator. So we'll make another video for this rewards program. I'm really excited to share with you. But today we're going to be talking about everything DTF, how it works, how to set up your files to print to get an order placed with us, and we're going to show you a little bit of the settings on the machine to get a successful DTF print with our company. At the moment, we currently have two product types. We can charge you just a standard film, just the print by itself, you can see. Or for the bigger runs, we can charge you the product by the square foot, where you can lay up all the graphics that you want on here, and that's on our website. We're going to be listing pretty soon up here the product numbers and the SKUs so you guys can see this product. But before we begin, basically the technology is, it's a transfer print technology. So if you want to zoom in on the camera, we're actually laying down a white base, and I'm going to show you how this works, but you're able to get a full color graphic image that you can use a heat press to go on there. So all of you Etsy users, eBay resellers, people who sell on OfferUp, or they just have your little web store that are printing or need to print on demand, we're able to help you here, and we look forward to working with you. So I'm going to show you guys how to set up your job, the files, and get it ready for print to send us an order. Also, we're going to demo the machine with what we're doing now, show you how the machine works, and then we'll give you all the settings that you're going to need. So once you place an order, you'll be able to just use your heat press the items, and go on and start making some money. Thanks again. I look forward to working with you guys. If you have any questions, you can shoot us an email at info@promogator.com, or feel free to call us at 877-737-8191. Thank you.
One of the awesome things about DTF technology is its unlimited possibilities. Unlike just regular t-shirt transfers, which require weaving, or screen printing that requires screens, or DTF that gets messy with setting up a job, pre-treating, pre-coding, DTF is very simple. So here we're going to show you how to set up the most popular product for our DTF line, which is our price by square foot product. You want to set up your file in Photoshop or Illustrator. You want to have it CMYK, and the size would be 22 inches. It's important that you change the mode to CMYK to get the best possible color. And for maximum results, we recommend a 300 dpi image or higher. Once you get your files all set up, you can finish placing an order on our website, and this is where the magic happens. So you can see this file gets printed in reverse along with a white underbase. These are not tortillas, ladies and gentlemen. This is a work of art. Once these prints go through the first step of the machine, there is a white powder that reacts with the white base, which creates a glue backing for your transfers. They go through the tunnel dryer, and once they are dry and off the machine, they're ready for the next step. Once your order is ready, if you're a local customer, you're more than welcome to pick it up from our garden grow facility, or if you are ordering online and need to ship it out, we will ship you out the transfers pre-cut if you order sheets, or if you're ordering it by the roll, you have to cut it yourself, which is basic scissors will work. Get the job done, as you can see here. Again, the advantage of this over screen printing is that there's no setup charges, and also the colors look a lot better than direct to garment. We feel that this is the future of printing, and it's very easy to apply. All you're going to need is a heat press, and the recommended setting is 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds. Once this counts down, you're ready to rock and roll. With direct-to-film technology, the possibilities are endless. You can use these for club t-shirts, churches, events, concerts. If you sell on Etsy, you can make a custom t-shirt, load it on your Etsy store and print on demand. If you have a Shopify store, add some more SKUs to your store and get some more revenue going. Once this thing is pressed, it's recommend you pat it down gently with rag or another t-shirt just to get that glue stuck onto the shirt. And for maximum results, we recommend that you do a warm peel. Just let the glue set a little. Just peel that off. No weaving needed. As you can see, this is why it's superior than screen printing or DTG. DTF, my friends, is the future. Check out this full color t-shirt. Depending on your design, you can pretty much print anything, any size. And before you pull off that transfer, another recommendation is leave the film on. Once you open the shirt from the inside, it's safe to pull away. Look at the vibrant colors on this one. This concludes our mini tutorial of DTF printing direct to film technology. We look forward to working with you guys in the near future. If you guys have a project, just let us know. You can call us direct at 877-737-8191 or shoot us an email at info@promogator.com. Really appreciate it if you guys can hit that like button and subscribe. We'll keep making these videos as we get more equipment, and we'll be sharing more tutorials here in the near future. Thanks again. We look forward to working with you. Have a great day.